Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.